adventurers, welcome back to another exciting episode of Love Your Adventure. Today we are diving into the stunning world of Alaskan cruises and sharing the secrets to choosing the perfect adventure as your first time Alaskan cruiser. If you are ready to embark on a journey that's bound to leave you breathless, please stay tuned because this video is for you. But before we set sail, please remember to show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more travel tips and cruising adventures. Now let's start our epic voyage. Our first tip is an absolute game changer: selecting the right cruise line for you. Choosing the perfect Alaskan cruise begins with finding a cruise line that aligns with your preferences. There are three main types of cruises to consider. There are luxury cruises for travelers that are seeking the ultimate comfort and service. Imagine having your own butler to unpack your entire bag for you. There is budget-friendly cruises. These are perfect for people who want to explore without breaking the bank. This is a great way to explore with a family, as a couple, or even as a group. And then there is adventure cruises, designed for the thrill seekers that love nature. How do you feel about kayaking through a glacier? So the adventure cruise is for you. Not only is the type of cruise important, but also there's the size of the ship. Larger ships definitely have more entertainment and more amenities on board, while the smaller ships, they're able to get into more unique ports, and they're able to get into more restricted fjords to see glaciers that you wouldn't be able to see on the larger ships. Tip number 2, navigating your Alaskan cruise itinerary. Alaska is a land of wonders, and your cruise itinerary should match your interests. So let's think about a few things. There are the port of call to consider. You can discover must-visit destinations in Alaska. There are many options to consider, from Juneau to Sitka to Ketchikan, and all of these have different benefits to visit. There's different excursions that you can do for all of these destinations, and there are different activities. You can dive into thrilling experiences like glacier trekking and wildlife encounters, as well as fishing expeditions. It all just depends on what your interests are. Then there is also the cruise duration to consider. Choose the right length for your cruise adventure. The choices are endless for Alaska, and the question is what you are most interested in seeing and doing. Are you looking for guided excursions or independent exploration? Are you looking for the natural beauty, wildlife, culture? Are you looking to go dog sledding, fishing, whale watching? How much time do you have to spend? While a week-long cruise has many options and a plethora of adventure, there are also cruise tours that take you inland for a whole nother level of exploration and wonder. Our third tip is your secret weapon: packing and preparing like a pro. Alaska's weather can be truly unpredictable, so packing wisely is crucial. Let's discuss our top 3 packing hacks. First, clothing essentials. What to wear varies depending on the weather condition. My top 2 tips for packing is: first, packing in layers, and second, bringing a rain jacket. If you'd like a complete packing list, please click the link below, and I'd be happy to send you a complete packing list for packing for an Alaskan cruise. Next, for our packing tips, would be tech and gear. These are must-have items for capturing Alaska's beauty. Alaska is full of natural beauty and wildlife. This is one destination that I highly recommend bringing a real camera with a zoom lens and not relying solely on your cell phone for photos. You will thank me later when you have some amazing photos of a bear on the shore or a whale and her calf reaching the ocean. Having an actual camera is going to make a huge difference for your Alaskan cruise memories. Also remember your travel documents. Please ensure that you have all the necessary paperwork ready. As your travel agent, I'm going to be sure to walk you through what's required for your specific cruise and the destinations that you're choosing to go to. There you have it, fellow adventurers. Choosing the perfect Alaskan cruise is within your grasp. Now it's your turn. Please share your Alaskan cruise experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to show some love by giving us a thumbs up and hitting the like and subscribe button so that you never miss out on our exciting travel content. Before we wrap up, remember to spread the love by sharing this video with fellow adventurers, enthusiasts, and let's build a community of passionate travelers together. Thanks for joining us on our epic Alaskan cruise journey. Until next time, we hope that you continue to love your adventure. Thanks for joining.